Hi everybody, it's Maggie here. Just wanted to show you what I got in my Essential Rewards box the other day. Every month I try to get a few new products, something maybe not new to the company, but new to me because I like to try new things. And so this month it was Seedlings products. No, I don't have any babies and I don't have any grandbabies, but these are not just for babies. These products can be used by adults and they're very safe to use because they are formulated for babies. So the first thing I got was the Seedlings linen spray. Can you read that? Is that too close? There, it's in focus there. The linen spray. And like I said, I have never tried this before, so I thought I'd try it. Comes in a nice little spray pump bottle. I'll take the lid off. And, well, I will show you this later, but I'm going to spray something with it. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Oh, wow. That is absolutely fabulous. I love that. Oh, that's going on my pillows tonight, for sure. Now the next thing I got was the baby oil, Seedlings baby oil. And again, I don't have any babies, but I did get the oil. I think this probably has a stopper on it. Yes, it does. So I'll peel that off, and oh wow, I love it. You could use that to moisturize your skin and like on your arms, your body. That is awesome. Oh man, I'm so glad I got these products. I'll be using those for sure. And I also got baby wash and shampoo. Now obviously I can't use that on the video, but I can open it and let you know my first reaction to it. If I can get the stopper off, I may have to cut that with a knife. One good thing about the trailer is everything's within easy access. Turn around and there's a knife. Oh, that's going to put you or your baby to sleep at night for sure. So relaxing. Wow. And formulated to be non-tearing. So if you or baby gets it in the eye, it's not going to bother your eyes. It's not going to cause you to tear up and itch and burn and all that nasty stuff that you get from other things. Then I got baby lotion. Baby lotion. And it comes in a tube. And oh, I'll have to try some. I just put a little bit on my hand. Put the lid on so I don't lose any. Oh. Oh. Wow. So hydrating. It is. Oh, and it smells so fabulous. Fabulous. Oh my gosh. I could go for a nap now. But that's not happening. And the last thing I got from the Seedlings line, now I've bought these before, are the baby wipes. And I don't know if this package, yes it is. You want to keep the package tightly sealed in between uses. But I love it. You know what I love it for? I love it for my face. I use it to take makeup off. I don't have any makeup on today, but I freshen up with it. If we go to the cabin where we don't have any running water, I use this to wash up with. It's fabulous, and it's so good for your skin, and it smells really nice too. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alright, so that's the Seedlings products that I got this time. So happy with those. Now, in May, early May, the end of April probably, I ran out of my dish soap, my Thieves dish soap. And you know what? I am so strong about having this dish soap. Why? It's dish soap. Well, it doesn't bother my skin. I don't have to wear rubber gloves. I don't have to worry about it. It cleans my dishes, makes them sparkling, and I love it. I can't be without it. I won't go back to the ones that I had before. I just won't. This is a lifetime thing for me. I'm doing this every month. Never running out of it again, ever. Just can't. Now this is another product that I use regularly. The Thieves, I always get this wrong, Dentarome Ultra toothpaste. You can see there's lemon and all kinds of good stuff in it. It helps brighten and whiten your teeth. I believe there's baking soda in it. I can't really read the fine print here very well, but that's what I recall from reading the ingredients online, that there is baking soda in it, and so that's why it helps to whiten your teeth. And scrub them. I find we have other toothpastes, and you know, some people prefer those. This is my preference because it cleans my teeth better. I've tried the others. Now, oh, another new product for me this month. So glad I got this. Satin Mint Facial Scrub. Oh, if you need a pick-me-up in the morning, oh, the peppermint in this and the little tiny round granules in it, they don't damage your skin. They just help slough off the dead skin and wake up your skin with more blood flow to your skin. This, I absolutely love this, and if it was suggested to use it every day, I would, but it's only suggested to use it a few times a week, so I'm sticking to that. But for sure tomorrow morning, because I didn't use it this morning, I'll be using it. Oh, I love it. I gotta smell it again. Oh, awesome. Fabulous stuff. I love it. Now, I hate to put it away. So, I ordered Ylang Ylang. Why did I order Ylang Ylang? Well, Ylang Ylang is one of Canada's NHP products, and that is natural health product. Okay, we can make specific claims about our natural health products without you needing to go see the doctor and getting a prescription. So that's pretty neat. Ylang Ylang is great for stress relief and relaxation. So you can put it in your diffuser, you can put it in your diffuser necklace, you can put it on your skin. It's really, really good for that. And the other thing that I use it for is I put it on my wool dryer balls. And that way I don't have to use fabric softener in the washer, because I don't know about you, but I've read the ingredients and I am not happy with fabric softener at all. My skin was always itchy and just very uncomfortable. And then a few months after not using fabric softener, my son lives with us and he used fabric softener, and I emptied the dryer and his clothes, they felt oily, like, what is this fabric softener doing? It's putting something in your fabric that makes it feel soft, but it's really oil. That's petroleum products, probably. I'm not sure. I forget what I read about them, but I definitely don't use fabric softener. And I chose ylang ylang because it's actually a scent that my husband really likes on his clothes. Go figure, he's a guy, he's an outdoors guy, and he likes ylang ylang. Never would have thought that in a million years. Okay, 2 more things that I bought. I bought Ninja Zing, and I love Ninja Zing. It comes in 245 milliliter cans. Each case has, well, it's 8.28 fluid ounces if you're watching this from another country. There are 12 cans in a case. I usually end up buying 1 or 2 cases a month because I like it as an alternative for soda pop. I love ginger ale, I love root beer. I'm not so fond of Coca-Cola or Pepsi, but you know, those are personal choices. But I like this instead of a soft drink because it has healthy ingredients. I don't have to worry about all the sugar content or all the caffeine that some of the soft drinks have. And it's a great pick-me-up if I'm feeling a little tired in the afternoon, what have you. So that is definitely on my list every month. And the fabulous Ninja Red. Now it comes in bottles or it comes in packages. I used to buy the bottles, but I now buy the packages because the bottles don't fit well in my RV fridge. And the little packages, I can just pack them away in there. I can put a couple in the freezer and have them as freeze sickles or whatever you call them. And it's great. I love it. Gives me energy. It's a very healthy drink made with wolfberry, aronia, blueberry, cherry, and I forget what all. It's naturally sweetened with stevia, so no added sugars. Okay, so what did I get for free this month? Well, I got patchouli. I love patchouli. It's something I put in my skincare product every day. I make a facial serum and I'd be sure to add patchouli to that. And I have to say, when I went to the skin specialist a couple weeks ago, he said to me, "How old are you?" And I told him. He said, "Your skin doesn't look that old. Your skin doesn't look that old. If you dyed your hair, you could go for a lot younger." Well, yes, I could dye my hair, and I used to do that, but I decided not to use the chemicals anymore. So, hey, it is what it is. Like it, leave it, whatever. So patchouli, being an NHP or a natural health product, is used for acne, burns, cuts and bruises. You can relieve digestive issues like pain and cramps, constipation, gas, and more if you massage it onto the affected area. And it's also good for stress and relaxation. So, you know, you could put it in your diffuser necklace, in your skincare products, you can put it on your face, you can put it in your diffuser. All those things are fabulous. And you can even use it on your dryer balls if you want to. And then I got another free oil I got was Cedar Wood. Now Cedar Wood I use a lot. I love Cedar Wood. I don't like the smell by itself, but I mix it with lavender and it is just fabulous. I put that in the diffuser at night. Very relaxing. Very relaxing. So, but it's also an NHP and also can be used for acne, burns, cuts and bruises, coughs and colds, and joint and muscle pain. So, also stress and relaxation. Yes, cedarwood is a good one to have. I can't say more, but you can look it up. And the third oil that I got for free was lavender. Lavender is called the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. Why is that? Because it has so many uses. You know those little Swiss Army knives where you pull this tool out and you pull that tool out and pull another one out, and it's like never ending, right? Well, that's what lavender's like. It is an NHP here in Canada. We use it for coughs and colds, digestive health, headaches, joint and muscle pain, stress and relaxation. It's great for your skin as well. Can't say a whole lot more because of compliance, but you can Google lavender essential oil and you can see all the things that other countries claim about it, or other people can claim about it. I can't do that. Now, in honor of Father's Day, one of the other things that we got for free here in Canada was, in our essential rewards, okay, was 2 pairs of these cute socks, okay, one blue pair with a green back or a green sole, kind of cool, and then we got the green pair, which is kind of cool too. And those were meant as a Father's Day gift. So guess who's getting those? I'm sure he's going to get lots of good use out of them. Anyway, that's my order for June 2018. Hope I gave you some ideas on what to put on your next order. What I do is I always, when mine ships, I always go in and change it and put in things that I think I might want for the next month, just in case my internet goes out, because oh my gosh, it's been horrible the last few weeks. And it's still not great even though they fixed it. So we'll see what happens. But yes, I go in right away and I change it up so I don't forget. And then around the first of the month, when I find out what the new promotions are, I change it again. Because maybe something I was going to order is a free promotion on Essential Rewards that month. So then I can order something else that I really wanted. With Essential Rewards, you get points for every PV or personal volume point. You get points on that. For your first 3 months, it's 10% of your PV. Up until 24 months, it's 20%. And until 25 months and more, you get 25%. So what that means is if I spend 100 PV on something in a month, I am now at the 25%. And I get 25 PV to spend for every $100 that I purchase. Every 100 PV that I purchase. Those points add up really fast. And I'm sorry my phone went off in the background. Hope it didn't distract you too much. In addition to that, Essential Rewards, you get cheaper shipping. So, you know, paying out less money is always a good thing. And I guess that's about it for Essential Rewards. I just wanted to let you know that July the 14th, I will be co-hosting a Live Your Passion rally in Ontario, Canada, just north of Huntsville, at Arrowhead Provincial Park at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, July 14th. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to try and post a link down below. Please check it out. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day.